In the bustling city of Sunnyside, a group of children stumbled across a small forgotten lot squeezed between two tall buildings. It was littered with old papers and cans, but Mia, the spirited leader, saw potential. "Let's turn this into a garden," she exclaimed. The children, curious and excited, agreed to transform this gray space into a colorful oasis. They called themselves the Green Guardians of Grove Street. The next day, the Green Guardians gathered early. Armed with gloves, rakes, and big smiles, they started by cleaning the lot, picking up trash and sweeping away years of neglect. "Every garden starts with a clean slate," Mia reminded everyone. As they worked, they discussed their plans. "Let's have flowers here and vegetables there," suggested Lucas, pointing excitedly. The lot began to look more like a garden, inspiring hope and imagination among the team. With the lot clean, it was time to choose what to plant. The children visited a local nursery where they learned about different plants and their needs. "Tomatoes love sunlight, and these marigolds can keep pests away," explained the friendly gardener. The children listened intently, choosing seeds that would thrive in their new garden. With bags full of seeds and saplings, they returned, eager to start planting. Planting day was a flurry of activity. Each child had a section to plant, and they carefully placed seeds and saplings into the rich soil they had prepared. "Make sure they have enough space to grow," Mia directed, helping the younger children. They watered their plants gently, feeling a sense of pride and accomplishment as they looked at their budding garden, imagining the flowers and vegetables that would soon grow. After planting, the Green Guardians learned about caring for their garden. Mr. Thompson, an elderly neighbor, taught them how to water the plants properly. "Not too much or too little," he said with a wink. He showed them how to check the soil and shared stories of his own gardening experiences. The children listened eagerly, absorbing every tip and trick, determined to keep their garden healthy. Weeks passed, and the children visited their garden daily. One sunny afternoon, they noticed the first sprouts pushing through the soil. "Look, our plants are growing," yelled Emma, dancing around the garden. The children cheered and examined every new leaf and bud. This small victory made them even more dedicated. They continued to nurture their garden, talking to their plants and encouraging them to grow. As the garden grew, so did the challenges. Some plants looked sickly and pests began to appear. The Green Guardians had to think quickly. They researched and decided to use natural remedies like neem oil and ladybugs to fight the pests. "It's all part of the adventure," Mia reassured her friends. Together, they applied the remedies and cared for the weaker plants, learning resilience and problem-solving along the way. Finally, it was harvest day. The garden was lush and full of ripe vegetables and bright flowers. The Green Guardians organized a small community event to share their harvest. Neighbors came by, praising the children's efforts and enjoying fresh tomatoes, cucumbers, and sunflowers. The children felt a deep sense of community and accomplishment, knowing they had brought a little more life and joy to Grove Street. As the day ended, the children gathered in their garden, reflecting on their journey. "We've learned so much," said Lucas thoughtfully. "Not just about plants, but about working together and helping each other." They discussed their favorite moments and how each challenge had brought them closer. "This garden isn't just about plants, it's about us growing too," Mia added, smiling at her friends. The garden was now a vibrant part of Grove Street, cherished by all. The Green Guardians celebrated with a picnic among the flowers and veggies they had grown. "We did this together," Mia said proudly, looking around at her friends and their green haven. "Thank you for listening. We hope you enjoyed the story. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more adventures."